Go. Okay, so we are uh, we are live. My name is Gabriel Montoya. Again, Trust Your Trade. Definitely part of a huge community, great, amazing community called Investing Made Easy. Obviously, that's why you guys are all able to obviously see this and be part of this just amazing, amazing community. Um, what I do is I'm not an educator. I simply have just found a consistent way based off my trading plan on how to trade, how to be consistent in trading. I don't think that we've taken a loss this week in the last 2 days. And again, what I do is I just allow you guys to definitely come along with the journey. And I talk through, really, the trades that I'm placing. This is my trading time, usually from 9 a.m. until 11 o'clock a.m. Obviously, depending on how fast we get the bag. I normally take about 10 to 15 trades. Okay. I'm taking trades in increments of 3. Okay. So again, that's usually about 4 to 5 entries that I'm really looking for. And sometimes there are multiple entries at the same location. I believe yesterday we did 12 entries at the same location. So again, if she continues to give it to us, we're going to continue to take it. And as you can see, I trade one currency. I trade US30. That's all that I trade. So let's get this party started. We are on Facebook. Okay, Trust Your Trade. We are on YouTube. We are on Twitch. Okay, so again, we do this all because obviously we want to show you the impact, and we want to show you, really, what you can do by learning this skill set. And really focusing on the skill set and how it can really change your life. 2.5 years ago, I started trading, and again, what we get in 20 minutes, what we get in 30 minutes, obviously that's how I make a living. So again, thank you guys so much. Let's make this happen, and let's go. So as you can see, guys, we're in a, we obviously had a little bit of an uptrend earlier, and let me let some people in really quick. Okay, as you guys can see, we have a little bit of an uptrend, and then obviously right here on the 15-minute, we have a huge candle that we'll see what happens on this candle. But again, we are obviously still overall, with the trend here. We are actually on an uptrend on an hour. We are on an uptrend on the 4-hour. Okay. Again, we don't necessarily need to go with the trend. Obviously, we're scalpers, but we don't necessarily need to go with the trend. Okay. Obviously, my goal is to get in and out. I don't take long trades. I'm literally looking for 3 points on each of my trades. That's it. In and out. Okay. So let's jump in here. So as you guys know, okay, give me 1 minute here. All right, perfect. Okay, so let me just go ahead and mark this up. And what I do is I mark up off of bank zones. It definitely just gives me starting points as far as just where I'm at, where she's come from, where she's going, and then we just kind of make our moves from here. Because obviously what she does is she moves in between these bank zones. So if you understand and know where the bank zones are, again, you can see where she's, where she's predominantly hit, areas of that she's broke, yeah. So again, I marked up probably about 4 or 5 of these, just really looking at the zone that she's in. Okay, so as you can see right now, she's in between this zone here and in between this zone here. Okay, so literally, we're about 150 points. As you can see, look at that drop. That drop is wow, almost 100-point drop in literally 5 minutes. Okay, so again, we're going to definitely just be patient and wait and see what we're going to do here. Okay, so she obviously broke some levels with that here. She broke and closed below this here. Okay, she broke and closed below. If she would have, respected this, then I would say, hey, you know what? We're continuing to definitely, look for that buy. That was just a pullback. But again, she literally broke this zone here. We'll see what she does. Does she respect this area here? What happens here in this next 3 minutes here? Okay, do we continue to fall? Because obviously we have an engulfing candle, huge engulfing candle. Okay, huge engulfing candle, and usually with what follows an engulfing candle is obviously movement to that direction. So whether it's movement to the upside if the engulfing's to the upside, or movement to the downside if the engulfing's to the downside. Okay, so obviously what she just did was a 15-minute candle, opened up on that 15 minutes. So literally this is 6 minutes. This is 6 minutes. This is a new candle. Obviously, we're looking to engulf this candle here. We literally engulfed all 3 of these candles here based off of that move. Okay, so again, did she respect this area? Did she respect this area? And are we going to continue to the upside? Okay, so let's just be patient here and wait. And I'll kind of tell you, kind of where I'm set up here. Okay, so obviously, like I said, okay, look at this here. She respected this. We'll see what this candle does. Does this continue to fall to this next zone, or do we look at this zone here? Let's look at where we're at as far as this zone as well. Okay, we can easily just mark up in the middle of this zone right here. Okay. All right. Perfect. Look at that. She just broke it. All right, perfect. I did not have my MetaTrader 4 up, so I did not take that trade. I was going to set up at 31,200. 31,200 I was going to set up there, but she obviously broke that here. So let's see what she does here. Okay, so we got a minute 17 left on this candle. We got a minute 17 left on this candle. Okay, if she pulls back up here, I will set up 200, 31,200 sell stop. I will set that up, 31,200. Here we go. And we're obviously going to 31,197. 200, 197. 200, 197. Okay, and we wait. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. We're about to get into these trades now. Let's go. Big drop, US30. Okay, we have 3 pending at 200. We have 3 pending at 31,200. 31,200, 3 pending. New candle just opened. New candle just opened. Okay, I'd like us to obviously break this 31,150 area to really determine that we're moving to the downside. Again, she could obviously be retracing here. Okay, we can actually run a fib here. If we run a fib, we can see kind of what she's done. She's obviously hitting that golden zone. She's hitting that golden zone. Okay, so we'll see if we get into this trade here. We'll see if we get into this trade. If she continues to fall, we'll see what happens here. But again, as you can see here, okay, just based off of pulling from this last big uptick here, okay, and this big move, okay, we are hitting that golden zone. We hit that golden zone here, 0.618, okay, and now we are obviously on our way back up. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Okay, like I said, I'm a scalper. I don't need to go with the trend. Okay, you know, if we can find confluence, if we can find consistent direction, then obviously we can play that. But again, obviously the sellers have come in. We got this big wick here. We got the sellers came in on this candle. We have the sellers on this candle. We did have some buyers on that last candle, okay? But again, if you look at the size of the body and you look at the size of the wick, they're pretty even, okay? I wouldn't say that there's one dominant over the other, that last 5-minute candle. But now look what we have here, okay? Look what we have here, okay? Okay, we have sellers that just dominating. We're about to get in this trade right now. Okay, we're about to get in this trade right now. Let's go. Okay, big drop, big drop. We're at 207, 209. Okay, again, big drop. I like to get past this wick. Here we go, we're in. Again, we just need 3 points. Let's go, big drop, US30. Okay, she's already given it to us here. Okay, this was about 15 points here. So again, if I can just get 3 points from this 200 mark, that's what we want to see. Okay, obviously we have sellers that have come in. We have sellers that have come in. We have buyers, a little bit of buyers that are obviously trying to take back control. Okay, but again, we just need a big drop. We need a big drop. Little pullback of about 15 points. Pullback of about 15 points from our mark, which is 200. Okay, let's go, let's go. Big drop, pullback, okay. Let's go, US30, big drop. Hope everybody's doing amazing this week. Hope everybody's having an amazing week. Obviously a shorter week. Last day of trading this week, today, Thursday. So again, hope everybody's having a great week. We had a great Tuesday, we had a great Wednesday, and we're going to definitely make it a great day today. So again, we're about 30 points over our 200 mark. Okay, obviously sellers and buyers are fighting for control right now based off this candle. Okay, we have a minute left. We have a minute left on this candle. That's going to also be a start of a new 15-minute candle. Okay, new 15-minute candle. We have huge seller momentum. We have huge seller momentum. So again, in 42 seconds, we're most likely going to open up to the downside, based off this huge engulfing candle. Okay, so again, we're about to get bagged here. Okay, if we don't get it in the next 28 seconds, okay, we will open up to the downside. We will open up to the downside. Okay, we got 17 seconds. Look at those buyers coming in. All right. Okay, let's go. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam. Let's go. I did take a market execution. Bam. Let's go. Let's go. Took a market execution for about 8 points. Closed out of it. I'm done with that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're about to close these trades right now. About to close these here in a minute on a pullback. Okay. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go, US30. Big drop. Let's go. We're about 8 points above our mark, 200. Okay. 8 points above our mark, 200. 31,200 sell stop, 31,200 sell stop. Let's go. Okay, obviously huge engulfing candles, continued momentum. Buyers came in. Okay, again, sellers, came back in as well. Sellers are in right now. Okay, sellers are in right now, taking control. We obviously have had buyers in control throughout the morning. Okay, throughout the morning. Okay, this was opening bell right here. We had buyers in control on the opening bell. Okay, but now sellers have definitely taken over and have dominated this market. Okay, so again, let's go. Big drop, 9 points above our mark. We just need a big drop. We are 1-0. I did take a market execution on the open of that new 15 candle. About, like I said, checking for about 8 points. And bag me. Let's go. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go US30. There we go. This is our candle. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go. Bag me. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go. US30. She was in profit. I did not take that. She bounced off of that. It's a huge zone right there, guys. If she breaks through this, we are going to the next zone. If she breaks through this, we are going to the next zone. You can see how she's bouncing. She has a big bounce off of this zone here. Okay. Let's go. Drop. We're on a pullback. We're okay. Let's go. Let's go, sellers. Big drop. 31,200 sell stop. 31,200 sell stop. That zone. Okay, that area, that zone. Okay, sellers are taking control of this candle here. Okay. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go. Here we go. I'm going to get ready to close some of these as she comes into the zone again. Okay. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go. Big drop. There we go. Let's go. Big drop. Here we go. We are 1-0 on this session. We took a market execution for about 8 points. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 3-0. Let's just be patient. Let's be patient. Okay, so again, if she comes back up into the zone, 31,200, 31,200, get ready. 31,200 for a sell stop. Here we go. 31,200. She pulls back up. Get ready. 31,200. Get ready. 31,200. We got 25 seconds left in this candle. If she breaks this, she will definitely continue on. Our next level, sell stop, 31,150. 31,47. 31,150. 31,147. 31,150. 31,147. Okay, we are set up there. All right, let's pull this here. Okay, this is the halfway mark of this zone. Halfway mark of this zone. Again, just tells us exactly where she's at in the zone. Okay, we're on the upper half of the zone. Okay. As you can see here, okay, to the left here, this was a predominant zone. Okay, look at this. She respected this here, fell back down, She broke through here, but then she respected it as a floor, and she flew up to the top. Okay, she's now back to this floor here. Okay, again, she's now back to this floor here. Okay, what are we going to do? This is a predominant zone. We have a floor and a ceiling that have met. We have a floor and a ceiling that have met. Very predominant area. Okay, we could get some bounce. Okay, I am set up at 31150. I am set up at 31150. We could possibly get some bounce on this this level here. Okay, so let's just see what happens. Okay, 4-0 on the session, guys. 4-0 on the session. Okay, 21 minutes into it. 21 minutes into it. Okay, if she comes back up into 31,200, okay, I will set her up. 31,200, I will set her up. Here we go. She fell back down. $31,200. Let's see if I can get in. She fell back down. Okay. So again, she obviously is now, this is a ceiling that she's bouncing off of. Okay. This is a ceiling that she's bouncing off of and a floor that she's bouncing in between. So again, one or two things are going to happen. She's either going to break this and continue up to the upside. Okay, I'm in. 200. 200, I'm in. 197. Okay, I'm in. One trade open. 200, 197. All right, great. So I got one trade open, and I have two pending at 200. Two pending at 200. Let's go. We're in all three of those. We just need a big drop. We need a big drop. There we go. That's our drop there. Let's go. Let's go. Bag me. Let's go. Pull back. We're okay. 31,200. Sell stop. 31,200. If you're able to get in, let's go. Big drop. Let's go. Big drop. Here we go. We got a minute left on this candle. Minute left on this candle. See what happens in this candle here. This is also, we got 6 minutes left on a 15 minute. 6 minutes left on a 15 minute. Let's go. Let's go. US30. Big drop. There we go. That's what we wanted. Let's go. Keep dropping. Let's go. 15 minute here. Okay. We obviously have buyers coming in, guys. Buyers coming in. Look at these wicks here. Okay. Obviously sellers on this big one here, but we did have some buyers. Okay. We do have buyers on this candle here. Okay. I am in 3 trades right now. Pull back here. Okay. So again, we got 5 minutes left on this candle. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go. Big drop. We got 15 seconds left on this candle. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go US30. Give us a big drop. We are 10 points over 200. 10 points over 200. Okay, let's go. This is our candle here. This is our 5 minute candle that we were looking for here. Okay, we are going to get this drop in this 5 minute candle here. Let's go. Big drop US30. Buyers are obviously coming in. Buyers are obviously coming in. Okay. Area here where we could potentially break and continue to the upside if we see movement to the upside. Okay, so again, let's just be patient and wait. Okay, we're about 2 points above our entry. 16 points above. Let's go. Big drop US30. Big drop US30. Let's go. Let's go. We are currently on the session 4-0. 4-0 on the session. Okay, we're about to be 7-0 on the session. About to be 7-0 on the session once she drops here. Okay, so obviously look at what she's doing. She's bouncing off of this here. This is now a ceiling. She's bouncing off of that ceiling. Okay, she's now bouncing off of that ceiling. Let's go. Big drop US30. Let's go. Stop playing games. Let's go. Big drop. And again, guys, all this is price action. This is price action, just marked up with bank zones, and literally just utilizing two EMAs, a 20 EMA and a 50. That's it. Okay, and obviously that's just a small confirmation of just confirming the direction that we're going. Okay, but other than that, again, this is all price action. I don't use any indicators at all. It's simply all based off of candle bodies, wicks. And then obviously just zones of where she's at, okay? And then just price action based off of where she's broke, broken, closed, as far as, support and resistance. That's honestly how I trade. Simply no indicators whatsoever. Obviously, we're on a pullback right now. Trust your trade. Trust your trade. We got 17 points above. Okay. Let's go. Big drop US30. As you can see here, we're consolidated in between here. We had huge drop. Okay. Respected this area. Respected this area. Okay. Again, we need to make a decision. What are we going to do in between this 100 points here? Okay. What are we going to do in between this 50 points? I'm sorry. Okay. What are we going to do? Are we going to continue the upside, or are we going to break this lower side here? Okay, so again, obviously, as you can see, we're in a consolidation right now. Okay, and again, keep in mind, guys, that's on a 15-minute. Okay, I'm sorry, that's on a 5-minute. Okay, that's obviously telling us what she's doing right now. I like 15-minute structure. Okay, I like 15-minute structure. 15-minute structure for me is the perfect structure. Honestly, it's not too high of structure. Hour, 4 hour. But again, it's just a perfect structure. I use a 15. I use a 50 EMA and a 20 EMA. I use a 50 and a 20. Okay, we're obviously on a, she's pulling up. She's pulling up right now. On this 15, we have a minute left on this 15. Okay, and again, I don't set stop losses, guys. Okay, I don't set stop losses. I do mentally have an area in mind that if she continues to jump there and she continues to go there, I will get out. Okay, and again, what I do is I look at higher wicks. I look at higher wicks of if she breaks this area here, we're most likely going to continue and we're gonna complete this and finish this. We're going to correct this here. Okay, so again, obviously, when I look at where do I get out, okay, because again, in anything, you should have an exit strategy. You shouldn't just be in trades just to, just, hey, what happens. You should definitely have an exit strategy. So again, I definitely don't go into a trade with an exit strategy, but I do know in my mind where I'm getting out. And that is at the high point here of, her next break. Okay, so it's literally this wick right here. So 31,288 is where I would definitely get out. Okay. And again, keep in mind, guys, that obviously trust your trade. Again, I do have the account size to hold a pullback like this. So again, I'm not too concerned. Obviously, we are in a downtrend. Obviously, the economy is down. Everything's down. So again, to hold on to a trade, let her pull back, let her pull up, let her do what she's doing. Again, I'm not too concerned, to be honest. I'm not too concerned at all. I definitely am very confident that she's going to continue to fall here. And obviously, buyers came in this morning. They definitely had a rally, but again, we are in a downtrend. We obviously are going to have some rallies here and there, but again, overall, we're definitely we definitely have not broken a zone to I guess kind of conform or confirm that we're moving to the upside. Okay, we got 3.5 minutes left on this candle. We are obviously 50 points above our mark at 200, so we are in a pretty big pullback right now. Okay, but 50 points is not tremendously a whole lot. Okay, and again, as you can see here, 67 points is really my mark. Again, I most likely won't get out. I will definitely hold on to this trade. Okay, and I'm going to set up at 250. I'm going to set up for a sell stop at 250. Okay, I wanted to pull up just a little bit more. Sell stop 250. And we're going to take that to 31,247. $250, $247. Let's go big drop US30. Here we got 2 minutes, 30 seconds left on this candle. Here we go, big drop, let's go. I got 3 pending at 250, 3 pending at 250. Let's go, big drop, let's go US30. Let's go, big drop US30. Okay, we got 1:48 left on this candle. 1:48 left on this candle. Is she going to respect this? Are we going to get a bounce off of the zone? Are we going to get a bounce off the zone? Are we going to respect the zone? Are we going to continue to fall? Is she wicking up? Or are we going to get a break and close above? If we get a break and close above, that is a pretty good sign, guys, that we are going to correct this and we are going to continue upside. Let's go, big drop US30. We got a minute left on this candle. Let's get a big drop in this minute. Let's go US30. Let's go sellers. Jump in. Let's go. Take control. This is also, we got 4 minutes open on this 15-minute candle here. We got 10 minutes left on this candle here. Let's go. We got 30 seconds left on this candle. 30 seconds left on this candle. Let's go, big drop. Let's go, sellers. $11 seconds left in this candle. Buyers definitely took over. Buyers definitely took over that candle. See what the sellers do. See if the sellers come back in. Obviously, break and close. Great sign that we're moving to the upside. Great sign that we're continuing to the upside. Let's see. Don't be faked out. Don't be faked out. Okay. It's a pretty big candle. pretty big candle, you know, with buyer buyer momentum. Okay, like I said, we don't necessarily need to go directly with the trend. We can obviously scalp. Okay, so again, buy stop at 31,300, 31,300, 31,303, 31,300, 303. Okay, we'll see. We'll set up there. We'll see if she gives it to us. But she just bounced off of it. So there was definitely an area that she respected. Okay. So again, she respected that area. She came into these wicks. She respected it. Okay, but we did trap her. We did trap her to say, hey, if you continue to go up, I'm going to catch you for three points on your way up. Okay. So again, as you can see here, she respected that and bounced off of it. She bounced off of that zone. Okay. So again, we're gonna see. Does she come back, or does she continue to respect? Does she respect this 250 zone? Does she respect this over here, or is she gonna break back through it? Okay. So let's see what she does, guys. Let's just be patient. Okay, like I said, I'm a scalper. So again, you know, I literally am just trapping the market. Okay, I have her set up at 31,250. I also have her set up at 31,300. Okay, so again, whichever direction she goes, I'm going to grab a bag. Okay, especially being that she's in between this zone right here. Okay, so again, let's see what she does here. And if she does open my trades at 31,250, I will be ready to actually close them early if I have to. Again, my goal is 3 points. If she gives me 2 points, whatever she gives me, where I can obviously take a profit, I will definitely do that. Okay, because I'm going to be very careful that she bounces off of here. Okay, so again, we just saw a bounce off of this zone here. She could come down here. She could tap it and bounce back up. Okay, so again, we just want to be very careful. If she taps it and she goes any point over this 250 zone, we're going to bag. All right. And we are literally 4-0 on this session here, 38 minutes into this session. Okay, and again, as a scalper, okay, you can definitely, you don't have to necessarily, obviously, the trend is your friend, but we are not looking for big trends. We're looking for scalp opportunities in the market. Okay, let's go. Big drop the US30. Let's go. Big drop US30. Let's go. Big drop. We got 51 seconds left on this candle. We got 51 seconds left on this candle. Okay, we got seller momentum. We got seller momentum. We do have some buyers on this bottom wick. We got sellers to the top side. We got sellers in this candle here. Okay, body. Okay, so again, you can see sellers are here, sellers are here. Okay. Let's go, big drop. Okay, we are 40 minutes into the session, guys. Just opened up a new candle. 4 minutes left on this candle here. Okay, sellers dominated that last candle. There wasn't a whole lot of buyer action. Okay, a lot of sellers. Okay, so again, nice bankers candle here. So let's see if we can get a confirmation candle here that actually engulfs this candle here. Definitely confirming that we're on to the downside. Let's go, big drop. Let's go, big drop. There we go. We're just being patient here. We're just being patient, guys. We got 3 minutes left on this candle. 3 minutes left on this candle. And this is also 3 minutes before the open of a new candle, of a new 15. Okay, so obviously sellers came in. Okay, buyers are definitely still there. So let's see if the sellers take control of this last 3 minutes of this 15-minute candle here. Okay, let's go. Big drops. Let's go. We got 2.5 minutes left on this candle. Okay, we can watch this 15 because this is the open of a 15-minute candle. This next candle, here we go. Big drop. 2150. We are set up right there. 2150. We are set up. Let's go. About to get in right now. $21.50. We're set up. 2 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. 2 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. 2 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Let's go. Big drop. US30. Let's go. Obviously, on this 15-minute candle, you can see big wicks. Big wicks to the top side means seller domination. Okay. Obviously, there's some buyers here based off this body. Okay, we're about to get in this trade here. 31,250. There we go. We're in. 31,250. 31,250. Let's go. Big drop. Boom. Bag me. Let's go. Let's go. We are literally 6-0, guys. 6-0. 6-0. Okay, let's go. We got a minute left on this candle. I'd like to break this zone here. Okay, I'd like to break this zone here. Okay, I'd like to break this level right here. Okay. Break and close below these bodies. We're moving to this downside. Okay. Let's go. We got 28 seconds left on this candle. 28 seconds left on this candle. 15 seconds left on this candle. I'm going to take a market execution in 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Market execution. Hold the close button. Boom. Bag me. Let's go. Market execution for about 10 points. Let's go. So we are literally 7-0 on this trade. We have 3 trades open right now. We're on a pullback again. Trust your trade. 31,200. So we're about 28 points above our 200 mark. Okay, we're about to get a drop right now. Just opened up a new candle. Let's go. I want to see it break and close below this. I want to see it break and close below this. And then we will cover the rest of this here. And we will continue to fall. Then we need to break this zone here. Okay, we need to break this zone here. Break and close below. Break and close below this halfway mark here. Okay, we get past this stuff here. And then we're on to this mark here. Okay, we'll break this one. Okay, and then we'll break this one here. Okay, you can see where she's respected. So obviously there was a little bit respect at 200. There was a respect at 200. Okay, but there was a big respect and predominant respect at 31,175. Okay, as you can see here, look, she bounced off here, turned around. She's done that a couple times at this location. Again, that's a ceiling and a floor right here. Okay, so again, we saw that happen. We saw her bounce off of this 31,175, 31,175. Okay, so again, as you can see, buyers are trying to come back in here. Okay, so on this 5 minutes, she respected that. She respected this 31.26. Okay, obviously sellers came in dominating on that last candle. I did take that open for about 10 points. Okay, but obviously the buyers are definitely trying to take control now. All right, so again, we're just in a trust your trade situation. We're about 65 points above our 200 mark. Okay, pullback. Okay, let's go sellers. She has not completely filled this big drop. She has not completely filled this big drop. She obviously came up here to 300, respected it. Okay, I'm going to set back up at 31,250. 31,250. Sell stop. $247. 250. 247. 250. 247. Okay, so again, guys, we're just being patient. You can see obviously what she's trading in. You can see where she's at. Okay, she obviously had this huge drop. Okay, she tried to correct it on that last candle. Sellers came in, said nope. Okay, obviously buyers came back in, trying to take it back up here to 300. Okay, sellers are obviously, you know, we do see some sellers. We obviously see more dominant buyers. Okay, so again, we're just gonna be patient. And again, guys, this is simple, just price action. Once you learn how to read the charts and once you understand price action, I don't use any indicators at all, none, zero. Okay, we definitely can do a session. Obviously, on my I've been kind of breaking down and kind of looking for some setups in the evening, it's definitely definitely been working as well. But we can definitely break down what indicators that I definitely have used in the past. And again, when I'm swing trading or intraday trading, there may be some indicators that I definitely look at, but I'm definitely not on a 5-minute time frame. I'm obviously up on a higher time frame, an hour, 4-hour time frame, and that's obviously where I'm looking at, and then possibly looking at maybe the half hour to obviously take my trade on, the half-hour candle or the 15-minute candle. But again, basing my structure off the hour or the 4-hour. Okay, so again, are we going to bounce? Look what we just did. We bounced off that 31,300, bounced off that 31,300. And again, I do have a buy stop at 31,300. Okay, so if she breaks that zone, I am set up to catch her for a bag. Okay, but again, are we going to break that zone or are we going to bounce back off? Are we going to bounce back up, back down and respect it? Okay, we got 8 minutes left on this 15. Let's go to this 5 minutes, see what's happening here. Okay, we do have an engulfing here on the 5 minute. We do have an engulfing here. We're gonna see what happens here. Do we respect it or are we gonna break through? Okay, I am open on those trades. I will not be afraid to close them early. Boom, bag me, let's go. We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are 10 and 0, 10 and 0. Again, look, I took that quick bag on that 300. Okay, she came over, gave me that wick, bag me, let's go. All right, so again, are we gonna break and close above? Or are we gonna respect it? Are we wicking? Are we wicking? Are we gonna respect it? So we got 3 minutes left, let's see what happens. Again, you can see a predominant zone at 31,350. You see a predominant zone at 31,350. Again, did we just correct this whole move? Are we going to correct this whole move or are we going to reverse here and continue to fall? Okay, we corrected this whole move, but are we going to continue to the upside or are we going to fall here? Okay, so we have a minute 57 left on this candle, minute 57 on this candle. I'm going to set up sell stop at 31,300. $297, 300, 297, 300, 297. Okay, so again, is she going to continue to climb, break through this 31,350, or are we going to fall? And I have her set up at 31,300. Okay, we got 57 seconds left on this candle. See what happens in this last minute. See what kind of movement we get on this last minute. Okay, buy stop, 31,350. 53. 5 minutes in this 15-minute candle. Look at this huge 15-minute candle here. Okay, but again, are we respecting this 31,350 area? Are we going to break through it? Look at this hour. Sellers, look at this. Look what's happened in this last hour, guys. Look at this huge wick. Wow, that's crazy. Look at this. Sellers dominated. Buyers came back in. Okay, we got 3 minutes left on this hour candle. 3 minutes left on this hour candle. What's going to happen? Look at that long wick. But they respected that 31,350. They respected that 31,350. And if you look to the left here, guys, like if they respect this 31,350, they're going to come into this big old zone here. So again, we could possibly get a push up into this area, this 400 zone. But again, look at this mess to the left side here that we can get into. Okay. So again, there's really nothing that is in the way. But again, there are some zones, that have definitely that stand out over here that we could possibly kind of possibly get into. But again, if she breaks this here, breaks and closes above, we will most likely start to complete some of this here. We got a minute 57 on this candle here. Let's go, big drop. Good job, Sean. That's what I'm talking about. Good job. Let's go. Let's go, big drop. Let's go, US30. We got 45 seconds left in this candle. I'm going to have a hard stop, guys, in about the next 5 minutes, as again, I have to jump into to another meeting. But again, I do have three trades that I'm kind of trust your trade on. Definitely looking to fall. I'm about 100 points from my entry at 200. Okay. So again, we'll see what happens here. We'll see if we continue to fall. Do we respect? If we break this here, I will most likely take that L. Okay, and again, I don't take losses, I take lessons. Okay, but at the end of the day, keep in mind, guys, like again, we've had phenomenal weeks. Like I said, trust your trade. Trust your trade. Okay, we are currently 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 0 on the session. About to get into 3 more trades right now at this 31,300 zone. 31,300 as we drop here in this next 5 minutes here. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go. Big drop US30. Bag me, exactly. Bag me. Good morning. Good morning. And again, guys, San and I will definitely be setting up something. Obviously, we've had some new members, come onto the group. Again, just amazing things happening. Continue to plug people in. I'm literally across 5 channels right now. I'm literally on YouTube. I'm on Trust Your Trade. And I'm also on my personal Facebook as well. Also on Twitch, we are, and then also on Zoom. So again, we are across 5 different verticals right now. Again, no reason not to plug people in to see exactly what we're doing. And like I said, get the deal. Okay, learn the skill set. Focus on the skill set. Stop focusing on profits. Stop focusing on really what you can get today. Because again, I'm telling you, if you focus over the next 6 to 9 months on this actual skill set, getting into the academy, learning the skill set, putting that investment into yourself, then go get you a funded account, okay? And I'm telling you, you can make trading a profession. You can make trading a profession, something that you literally do. We literally have been on this for an hour, okay? I don't see us being on much longer. Obviously, I have 3 trades open right now that I'll definitely keep an eye on. But at the end of the day, again, usually. And you can definitely watch previous videos. We're literally in and out with the bag within about 20 minutes. Okay. Obviously, she's moving very different right now, just due to the fact that again, we've seen some of the lowest bottoms that this market has hit, and obviously buyers are trying to come in. So again, there's huge consolidation right now as far as just what we're seeing. So again, just not big movements right now. As you can see, just the size of the candles. Okay, so just again, not a whole lot of volume. And so again, we're having to just be a little bit patient. Today was one of those days, one of those mornings where we just had to be a little bit more patient. But again, we are 10-0 on this session. We are 10-0 on this session with three trades in Trust Your Trade status right now. So again, let's go. We are respecting that 31,350 area. That 31,350 area is being respected. Okay, for the time being. Okay, we have a minute left on this candle. Okay, so again, guys, I hope that you guys are learning. I hope that you guys are getting value from these conversations. Again, this is literally my trading session. I'm not an educator. Okay, obviously, I'm simply here to give you educational, pointers and things like that. So again, I'm taking these trades personally. You're more than welcome to do so along the side of me at your own risk. It is not my money, it is yours. But again, know what you're doing, especially with US30. This is a US30 channel. Again, I don't, as you can see, I have no other currencies up. I simply just trade US30. That's all that I trade. That's all that I do. Again, we get the bag. We are undefeated this week. We expect to win. We don't lose here. If we do take an L, it is a lesson. Okay. Again, we just correct it. But at the end of the day, guys, thank you so much. I'm going to log off. And as I say, I will see you at the top because the bottom is too crowded. We don't look down on anyone, okay, unless we're going to reach down and we're going to lift them up. And again, believing that you can is more profitable than believing that you can't. We all have a great opportunity. Again, I knew nothing about trading, 2.5 years ago. And, now look what we're doing. We're doing amazing things. We're getting into private funding. We're doing a lot of great things as a result of being able to trade an hour a day. So again, guys, this is life changing. But like I said, take the time to educate yourself. 6 to 9 months, be a student. Okay, be a student of this game, and I'm telling you, it will change the rest of your life. So 6 to 9 months to have time, financial freedom for the rest of your life, or you can continue just to chase the bag every single day. Okay. Again, US30, she takes a big account size to trade her efficiently and effectively. And like I said, traded accounts allow us to be able to do that. It allows us to be able to allow her to breathe, allows her to be able to allow her to move. Again, just kind of my word of advice is definitely learn this skill set. 6 to 9 months, get you a funded account, and let's go to the top. All right, guys, thank you so much. Have an amazing, amazing, amazing day. And again, we will be back on Monday. Take care. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.